In today's challenge, we have a dataset with sales amounts and dates. Instead of manually filtering or using pivot tables, we want to automatically classify sales as weekday sales and weekend sales, sum up total values for each category dynamically, and use modern Excel functions for a clean, efficient and dynamic approach. The first step in solving this challenge is figuring out which dates fall in weekdays from Monday to Friday and weekends, Saturday, Sunday. For this, we use the weekday function. It takes a date and returns a number representing the day of the week. The second argument tells Excel to use a system where Monday is number 1 and Sunday is number 7. This makes it easier to separate weekdays from 1 to 5 and weekends from 6 to 7. Now we have a simple way to determine whether each sale happened on weekday or weekend. Now that we have weekday numbers, we need to label them as either weekday or weekend. Let's use the if function. If weekday is greater than 5, 6 or 7, then return weekend, otherwise weekday. Now every sale is clearly classified into either weekday or weekend, making it easier to group them. It's time to sum the total sales for weekdays and weekends using the GROUPBY function. The first argument is our previous formula. It generates a list of labels, weekday or weekend. GROUPBY function groups the data by these labels. The second argument specifies the sales column to be summed. The third argument is the function we will use, sum. It tells Excel to add up all sales for each category. We don't need the headers, so let's omit the fourth argument, and we don't need the total row, so the last argument will be 0. This method automatically calculates total sales for each category without needing a pivot table. Anytime new data is added, this formula updates instantly. As you see, this method is quite dynamic. You don't need to add any helper columns or pivot tables, just one simple formula. And now you know how to do it. See ya!